Is your Pixel device is showing some common Pixel network problems like no SIM card, no SIM detected, or Pixel network is very poor or stuck on emergency calls only? Don't worry, I will give you some easy and quick fixes in this video which will help you to fix this Pixel network issue. So let's dive into it. Solution 1. Restart your Pixel phone. First, press and hold the power button and tap restart or reboot. Wait until the phone fully turns back on. Sometimes the SIM just fails to register because of a temporary system glitch. Check your signal now. If still no service, move to the next step. Solution 2. Reinsert the SIM card. Turn off your phone completely. Remove the SIM tray using the eject tool. Take the SIM card out. Gently clean it with a dry cloth. Insert it back properly. Turn the phone on again. Now test mobile data. Solution 3. Reset network settings. If it's still not working, go to settings, tap system, tap reset options, tap reset Wi-Fi mobile and Bluetooth. Tap reset settings and confirm. This will not delete your photos or apps, it only resets network configuration. After restart, turn on mobile data and test again. This will not delete your photos or apps. Your phone will refresh all network files. After restart, wait for signal. Solution 4. Replace the SIM card. Final step. If nothing worked, remove the SIM again. Try it in another phone. If it doesn't work there either, your SIM card is likely damaged. Contact your carrier and request a replacement SIM. If it works in another phone, then your Pixel may need a service inspection. Visit Google Authorized Service Center. So that's it. Your Pixel phone, SIM issues or network issues should be fixed now. If this helps, subscribe for more real tech solutions. Comment your device and let us know which solutions is work for you. And share with your friends who have the Pixel devices or are facing the same issues. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.